Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Fun with Art. If you are new, then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for watching more videos. Be first on my channel. If you are a beginner, then you should choose easiest and simplest thing to draw. Today I am going to draw a bicycle with two buckets of flowers. First I use HB pencil for the rough sketching because it is easy to erase. If I use directly darker pencil, then it is hard to erase because some lines are prominent after erasing. That's why I always use lighter pencil. You can also use 6B pencil because it is also lighter than the 8B and 7B, but I always prefer HB pencil. I use 8B pencil for the shading and the highlighting the areas. areas, I use charcoal blending stump. Honestly, it is very useful. It perfectly blending the darken areas. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for your precious time for watching my videos. Take care of yourself and keep sporting. Allah Hafiz.